How to complete quick wins in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can complete quick wins in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. Now to complete quick wins, you can check your daily tasks in-game, fulfilling specific goals like pressing go or landing on tiles and filling your weekly progress bar. Keep track of resets to claim dice, cash and high value sticker packs. So how quick win works is the task refreshes every day at 8 AM ET, and each finished task adds points to a weekly bar, and you can complete most tasks through the week to unlock a top reward like 4 or 5 star sticker pack or a wild sticker on Sunday. This way you can complete quick wins in Monopoly Go. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.